In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AdCreative AI for app install ads and how it can take your app marketing strategy to the next level. If you're new to AdCreative AI, don't worry, I'm going to explain it in simple terms so you can get started quickly and effectively. First, let's dive into why AdCreative AI is a game changer. As you might know, when running app install ads, it's crucial to have engaging creatives that will capture users' attention. The challenge is that creating those creatives consistently can be time-consuming, especially if you're running multiple campaigns. That's where AdCreative AI comes in. It uses artificial intelligence to generate high-converting ad creatives in seconds, making your life a whole lot easier. The tool's AI analyzes millions of data points to create optimized, attention-grabbing visuals and copy tailored to your audience. All you have to do is upload your app details and any creative assets you want to include, and the software does the heavy lifting by generating multiple versions of ads in just minutes. This is perfect for testing different approaches without needing to spend tons of time or resources. Now let's talk about how to set it up for app install ads specifically. When you log into AdCreative AI, you'll see a user-friendly dashboard where you can create your ad campaign. Select your ad objective. Here, you'll choose App Install Ads. Once you've done that, the platform will ask you for your app's details like the name, description, and the target audience you want to reach. This is crucial for ensuring the AI generates ads that resonate with your ideal users. From here, AdCreative AI gives you the option to upload any images or branding materials you'd like to include in the ads. For app install ads, it's a good idea to focus on visual elements that highlight your app's core features or showcase how users will benefit from using it. If you don't have any assets prepared, no worries. The AI can generate some design suggestions based on your app's category and features. One of the best things about using AdCreative AI is the ability to test multiple creatives. Once the platform has generated your ads, you can instantly see a variety of variations, each with different headlines, images, and call to action buttons. This gives you the ability to test different combinations and quickly see what works best for your audience. You can also track the performance of your app install ads directly within the platform. AdCreative AI integrates with major ad platforms, so you can view metrics like click-through rates and conversion rates without needing to switch between multiple tools. This makes it easier to optimize your ads on the fly and focus on the creatives that are driving the best results. Now, here's something exciting for you. If you're new to AdCreative AI, you can get started with it completely for free through the exclusive link in the description below. Plus, you'll also get extended access to the platform's free trial, giving you more time to explore all the features and see how it can transform your app install campaigns. To wrap it up, using AdCreative AI for app install ads is a powerful way to improve your ad performance while saving time. It takes the guesswork out of creating high-converting ads and allows you to focus on what matters most, growing your app. And remember, you can start today for free with our exclusive trial. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your marketing game. So go ahead and check out the link below, start creating your app install ads with AdCreative AI, and watch your app download soar.